Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Poco M6. For that you will have some ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So for that just use the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see directly the preview. One more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap here, by the way, on the screenshot, you have the chance also to edit it. Here at the corners you can crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. After, just tap here on the checkbox and it will be part of your gallery. And the coolest way to have a screenshot here at all is with 3 fingers. So take 3 fingers, put them on the screen and just slide them down and you will have a screenshot as well. So one more time, take 3 fingers, scroll them down the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. You're ready to find your screenshots after, of course, you had the gallery. And here the photos, they are mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you to always go to the albums, because here you have an own folder only for your screenshots. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and maybe until next time. Ciao.